enough with the fucking paparazzi. I look like shit. I don't have my makeup on today. Okay. Yeah, just because my husband's famous. Alright, rabbits, enough. Stop taking pictures of us. Just because my husband's famous. Just stop it with that shit. Bitch, just smile and take the photo. Dumbass. Glow up, fam. Glow up, fam. Soak it in.
You blowing kisses for the coffee? Okay. Oops, I'm spilling it everywhere today. I spilt it on the couch too. I'm spilling. I love you, Mommy. Hello. Happy Easter, everybody, from the birdhouse. Say it. Easter from the birdhouse. Say it. You're so cute. Do it again. You gonna dance? Homemade gift for my auntie, which was a cute little tin with some grass in it and a little egg cookie. And my bird's little to-go cake. Birds to the party this year. You guys got invited. Auntie invited you guys. Last year she said, bring the birds next year. So you guys get to go. Yay. I still can't figure out what outfit I'm wearing, but I have to leave now. Ah! Benny's a little late, but I'll hop over there and be there in a second. Leave. Doing, 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 doing.
I'm double earring it because I'm VIP like that. I double ear it, baby.
Go. You're ready to go. Okay, we're gonna go. Doing, doing. Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you guys have a fun one. I got all the colors going. To get these stinkers in the cage. Thanks for making it take like an hour, but we're on our way finally. Well, I wore my Easter underwear, little lacy underwear. Too much information, but you know. All right, are you guys ready to meet Zazu? Auntie said we can meet Zazu, the bird that's the same size as you guys. Are you guys ready to meet Zazu? We got the rock star music on. We ready to rock out of here. Take that, rewind it back. Yeah.
You can eat, fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be my
Love you. We push and pull like a magnet too.
baby. My heart is falling too.
I'm in love with your body. With the shape of you.
iHeartRadio is the easy-to-use app for music and
Roses.
radio.
Download the free iHeartRadio app today.
Sending love to your new love there. They're gonna meet Zazu. I'm excited. They're gonna meet their other bird, their familia bird, family bird. Catch the reaction of the birds. My birds versus Zazu. Let's see if it's a good thing. Look at this this dog's like hiding. He's scared of the birds. Are they both scared? Oh, this one's not scared of the birds. We have doggies.
Look, she's like, no way, man. Zazu's mean to me. I'm not going.
She's like, birds are mean. We introduce to Zazu.
Yeah, she can check them out.
Zazu, you want to meet my birds?
She's like, I don't know, man. Come here, babe.
And flying in the wind. She's totally intrigued. Look at her look in there.
Oh, look at that one's. Tucker, no.
Get
Miles,
Tucker.
watch
Someone
Tucker.
put Tucker in somewhere for a second.
Yeah, I don't trust him. Come here, babe. He's a different dog.
Okay.
She has
Oh
the
my
weirdest
god.
eyes.
Well, oh, Dragonia has red eyes too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah.
Dragonias are colorful, right?
Yeah.
I was teasing my friend about
Oh,
that.
I love
'cause
your
she
tattoo.
Had,
It's
'cause
sick.
she had a little tiny skirt on.
Cute. The puppy's cute. I feel like.
Cocker spaniel.
Oh, okay,
like
that's
Lady and
right.
the Tramp.
Oh, cute.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Zazu's loving the attention.
I have some like next to them at the
And then
where
what
she gets
happened?
boarded, you know? I don't know.
Give her a shot. Take her out of her
They're
sheltered
still
life.
like the cage. Don't talk it down. Just let them look at it. Don't say anything.
What, Miles has been bringing the numbers down?
No, I don't want him to say there's anything wrong with
Enjoying it. God, Bluebell would be lucky to have a house like this. We live in a townhouse right now. It would be so nice to have a house. Does Zazu bite? I forget.
Sometimes she
She bites.
yeah, she's a biter.
Hi, Zazu.
She got Miles on
Hi.
the lip twice.
Oh, God. Draggy used to bite me. Hi.
And then she she got sent back to the bird store.
Oh, man.
And then another girl bought her.
Zaz, what's up? What's up, Zaz?
And then the other
Ooh.
and
that's
then
bad.
so then she ended up here and she was just like biting and trashing us for a really long time. And then she's kind of calm.
Cage, you may have to become the official babysitter for my birds, and I will give you money.
If I need to be here, further out in the shade, or you can put it, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes she goes in the tree and she'll sit out in the tree if we're doing yard work and stuff.
I love your cage. Blue, no.
Is this the one that tried to escape last time?
That one won't escape. This one will, so I'm gonna keep her back in there. I'm trying to escape again. No,
Do you want to
Blue.
close her in?
Yeah,
Go
we can
ahead,
close
you
them
can
in.
close her in.
Oh, I don't know if they fight. They fight. They
Zazu,
might.
be
They might
good.
fight. Oh, they might fight.
I don't know her, you know. Oh.
She is fighting. Okay. A bird fight. Zazu, come on.
I don't want to touch her because she'll bite me.
Come on, Zazu. Let's go.
Tree and then she'll yell at Bill.
So you can put her in the tree and she doesn't escape. God,
No,
this
she'll just chew on it. And
this
do
house would
this.
be perfect for me and my birds. Except houses are. She just wants to explore life, kind of vibe.
If she goes over the fence, she'll be in trouble.
I know. I don't want to let her go over the fence. And I'm Blue, enjoying my auntie's house. My auntie has a cute house. Oh my God, it's like charming. Hey guys. And a chicken coop back there, and they've got a whole bunch of chickens laying eggs, and they eat the eggs from the chicken and everything. Yeah, huh?
That's Draco. That's not Draco. It's like purple.
Bluebell. So any attention she gets, she loves. It's a female.
Yeah.
Yeah, because its ring never grew in. Look at the dog. He wants to eat him. I got it.
That I wasn't going to be able to make it to shore.
Look at the bunny ears they have for everyone. Which color should I pick? Decide to fly away? Come on. What are you doing, you silly monkey? Zazu gets to live the life. Zazu's up in the tree, but because Zazu was attacking my birds are in Zazu's cage right now. Living the dream. He's up in the tree. It's the play ball.
Constantly.
Look at that.
What happened to the other guy?
He's over the other guy.
There's this.
Where's your ball?
Purple guy?
I mean, his bone.
Right there.
Yeah, he switched
He's
addictions.
done.
We have a thrift store
Hey, cheese.
in like Van. Ton of clothes. It's like a thrift store warehouse. Stacy will push a
No
cart through
success.
there, like,
Gonna try somebody else.
and get like $60
He's gonna
worth of
hustle
clothes,
Bill
and we get, like,
to
a
play. He's like,
$50
Bill
quick
doesn't
silver
want to
shorts
play.
or whatever.
Shut.
Always. It's
You
weird how
find
much
somebody else to play.
stuff she finds out of there. You know, like just a couple odd shirts.
They're so pretty. I see you. Guys, this is my auntie and uncle's house if you didn't know. Cowabunga, Sun Beach. They are surfers. Sun Beach, Cowabunga, and look at that parrot. Crazy. Selfies. Ooh, almost fell. I like really yummy smelling soaps, and this one's a good one. It's pretty cool. Yes, happy Easter. I'm gonna go hang out with my family now. Good. No flies. Decorations are so cute. So cute. Puppy, aren't you so soft? You are so soft, little puppy. Bye, Felicia. Ooh, that bouquet's pretty. There's the male and the female. Huh. How pretty is this bouquet?
No.
He wants my food. No. No.
Come here.
I think he was tired. Where's the dog? Starters there?
Look at that cell phone. That is funny. That is funny. Little rabbit ring. How cute is that? I should be a vlogger. Hi, Zazu. How are you enjoying the tree while my birds are hijacking your cage? How are you enjoying tree life? Sue, how are you enjoying that tree life? Well, my children have hijacked your cage for the day. Ew, living that rope life. Living that cool rope life. Let's go check out the chickens. Chicken time. Chickens. Hi, guys. They think I'm feeding them. And I'm not, which is not. Hi, guys. I hope you guys don't think I'm feeding you, because I'm not. I feel guilty, though. They're all hens, by the way. There's no males. They are all egg-laying hens. Egg-laying females. Yes. Oh, they're drinking water. They drink out of that thing.
Seen her hanging on to a stick by like one little toe.
Oh my god. What is she doing? Draggy, what is he doing?
I've seen her get out of it.
Bird owners know birds. They're
Yeah,
fine.
she's mischievous, trust me. You know, look, she's getting the other stick at the bottom. Look at her.
Draggy. She found another stick. Oh my god.
She's really silly.
That's it. Draggy. Discovering stuff.
Strange.
I think that's cute. I wouldn't think a bird would hang around. I would think
People.
yeah.
She was over it.
Got a funny hairdo now.
She was totally gone.
After a nice Easter day with my family, I've got to say I am tired and want to rest. Look what I found on my walk. A light up bracelet with hearts. Just when I'm sad about love, not finding it.
At home chilling is like my favorite place to be. I don't even like going to parties anymore. What's wrong with me? I must be getting old.